Hello. Yes, welcome once again to another reaction video. Today we're going to react again Diana's junior time performance. But we have to say thank you to Better Powers for sending this link to us.
Yeah.
For dropping this link on the comment section, by the way. So.
Yeah. So it's a contest, and it's Blues for grandmother, and it's held in Moscow, and it was the Superfinal and then the Salute of talents.
Yes. So we're gonna see her talent of singing and dancing. Let's have a look how her. We're always excited.
We are. Here we go.
She said, or he said, Diana is only 6 years old in this time.
Yeah, she. Oh, there she is.
Oh my God, it's so elegant.
Con señorita.
She's, according to Peter, it's 6 years old over here. But if it's 2012, then she should be 9 years old.
I don't know if it's 2012, but look how she looks.
So elegant. She really is born to be a famous or a star.
2012 was 9 years ago.
So she is
9.
She's 9, yeah.
Yeah, correct. Always pretty in that time. She was always dressed up. In all the videos we see, it says she's always dressed up in a theme, and that's for sure mommy's work.
And you can always see how much she really loves to be on the stage.
Yeah.
Singing.
Yeah.
Because every time she's singing on the stage, at this age or earlier, she's always confident. It's like she's there and and wow. She really have the ear, the love of the music. She just loves to perform.
She does. She definitely does. Yeah, I love it. Love to see this.
I always see the smile. Very elegant.
Always very aware of the camera and the audience.
Yeah. Just come naturally. We call the singing like -1, so it's just the beat. It's like the music and her voice, and look how she just go into.
Yeah, she carries the song. It's lovely, and it's, I don't know, she's really a natural. It's and I just enjoy watching her doing this. It's a joy to watch.
So good. I really love that dress. She's so confident. That was so elegant.
Yeah, but you must also admire her mother, always making the dresses, always going everywhere to every contest. I think every weekend. Wow, what a commitment to get where they are, and yes, kudos. I love it.
Yeah,
I love to see it.
Because her mom is Diana. Let's see, Diana's dreams. Her mom made it.
Yeah. It's
come true.
Yeah,
she's there since
she's a golden
day
mom.
one. Yeah, from putting everything to bring in the contest.
Yeah, doing all the clothing and you know this we only see the performances, but you never know really what's going on behind the scenes. You know,
a lot of time,
tears
for them,
and frustrations maybe, but who knows. Anyway, I love to see this always.
Yeah, but look how far.
Yeah. I'm really proud of what she achieved already.
Yeah, so big thumbs up for this. We love this. Thank you. Share this video if you can. Thank you, awesome Diana fans, for your support to our premieres all the time on our videos. Thank you for always correcting us whatever mistake we do on our reaction. We really appreciate that. Thank you for giving us a recommendation and bringing us from the very beginning of Diana's Ankudinova's journey. Thank you, and stay tuned. Make sure you do
subscribe for more.
All right.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.